Take the weight room seriously. As a high school player, I challenge you to get in the weight room and train harder than you ever have before. And it's more important now than ever to be stronger by the time you get to college. The college game is getting older and more physical, so you need to do the same. You need to be as strong as you possibly can be by the time you step foot on college campus. So make an effort to get stronger in all phases. And if possible, get on workout programs that are geared towards the sport of baseball, but more specifically, ones that are geared towards your position and also as individualized as possible for what your body needs and the way it functions. And as I always say, talent and ability may get you recruited and on the team, but strength is ultimately what will keep you in the lineup every day.